How to hide videos on Android phone without any application. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. Let me go out through quick and easy on how you can hide videos on Android phone without any application. Well, there are two different things that you can try. The first thing, generally when I wanna quick hide my videos from someone before giving them the phone, what I do is I simply delete it. Now to delete this, however, make sure that you have recycle bin. So I delete any images or videos that I don't want them to see and head over and quickly move it to recycle bin. Now what I can do is head over to menu option on my gallery, and before the 28 days cross mark passes, right, I can go ahead and restore it from the recycle bin. So I can open it up, I can select them all, and I can restore it. Now this is one of the ways to hide it for a short period of time. However, if you want to hide it permanently from your device, what you can do is you want to enable the secure folder option on your Android device. Now here you can head over to settings, you can search in for secure folder, and you want to make sure that you have enabled this secure folder. So here I have enabled secure folder, right? Then what you got to do is simply head over and select the video that you like to hide, tap on three dots, and you'll get the option here that says move to secure folder. So you can see down below move to secure folder. You want to click on it, and now it'll be moved and it'll be hidden here, but you'll have to enter in the pin here. So I've set up a pin as well. This is how you can easily hide videos on Android device. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.